Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Look at that, guys, again. This snow again. Non-stop, guys. What's going on this weather? What's going on this weather? Snowing is pouring. Sige. Snow pa more. Snow pa more. Grabe, wala nang spring, guys. Wala na talaga, guys. In 2 weeks, mag-April na. Uy, uy, uy. Seems like December. The weather is like December weather. Nana. Ano ba to? Matutunaw, then mag-i-snow, and then mag-i-spring, and then hindi malaman ang gagawin. Talaga, weather keep changing. Oh, snow, oh guys. Kawawang aso, nagtatay guys ang aso. Nagtatay ang aso. Diarrhea ang aso. Snow, snow, snow. Hey dog. Hey dog. Diyan ka na lang. Dami ng snow ulo mo, oh. Diyan ka na lang, doggy. Sige ka, hindi ka naman ginawin. Dami mong jacket. Dami mong hair, ayan, oh. Yan ang hair mo, yun ang jacket mo. Diyan ka na. Sige, diyan ka na talaga. Paproseng ka dyan, sige ka. Kawawang aso, may sakit. Ano nakain mo? Kumain ka ng saging, tsaka cookies. Nagtatae guys ang aso. Kala ko lang tao lang nagtatae, pati pala aso nagtatae. Opo, kawawang aso. Oh, lantutay na, oh. Bye-bye, aso. Daming hair, oh. Diyan ka na lang sa labas.